Praises of Mkabayi, the daughter of Jama of the Zulu clan. Father of guile, cunning one of the Hoshoza people, who devours a person, tempting him with a story. She killed Bedu amongst the medicine men, and destroyed Mkongoyana among the Ngadinis, and killed Beje among the diviners, Moras of Menzi, that caught people and finished them off. I saw Nehela son of Mlilo, the fire that burns out every hill, for it caught him, and he disappeared. Beast that lows on Sangoyana, it lowed, and its voice pierced the sky. It went and was heard by Kwabalanda, son of Mdaba of the Kumano clan, maid that matured, and her mouth dried up, and then they criticized her among the old women. She who allays for people their anxiety, they catch it, and she looks at it with her eyes. The opener of all the main gates so that people may enter. The owners of the home enter by the narrow side gates. Sip of others of the venom of the cobra. The Mhlatuze river will flood at midday. Little mouse that startled the runs at Malandela's, and thought it was the people of Malandela who would thereby walk along all the paths.